HJ-12 anti-tank missile, history, present and future. Introduction. The HJ-12, known as the Red Arrow 12, is a third-generation man-portable fire-and-forget anti-tank missile system developed by the China North Industries Corporation Norinco. Launched in 2014, it represents a significant advancement in China's military technology, specifically in anti-tank capabilities. This report delves into the history, current status and future prospects of the HJ-12 missile system. Historical development. 1. Initial showcasing 2014. The HJ-12 was first unveiled at the Eurosatory exhibition in Paris in June 2014, marking China's entry into the competitive market of advanced anti-tank missile systems. It was designed to compete with Western systems like the US FGM-148 Javelin and the Israeli Spike missile. The missile was designed with a fire-and-forget capability, allowing operators to launch it and take cover immediately, enhancing their safety on the battlefield. 2. Advancements and variants 2016 to 2020. Following its initial introduction, the HJ-12 underwent several enhancements. In 2016, Norinco showcased the export variant, the HJ-12E, at the Airshow China, featuring improved control fins and rocket motors. This version was tailored for foreign markets, emphasizing its versatility and operational effectiveness. In March 2020, Norinco announced its first successful export order for the HJ-12E to an undisclosed foreign customer, marking a significant milestone for China's defense industry. This export was notable as it represented the first sale of a third-generation anti-tank missile system developed by China. 3. Induction into PLA service 2021. The HJ-12 was officially inducted into the People's Liberation Army (PLA) in July 2021. Its debut in military exercises in Tibet showcased its operational capabilities in challenging environments. The missile's inclusion in the PLA's arsenal was seen as a substantial enhancement to the infantry's anti-tank capabilities, particularly in mountainous and rugged terrains. Technical specifications. The HJ-12 missile system is characterized by several key features. 1. Weight and dimensions. The missile weighs approximately 22 kilograms with a length of 0.98 meters. Its compact design allows for portability and ease of use by individual soldiers. 2. Effective range. The HJ-12 has an effective range of 4,000 meters during the day and 2,000 meters at night, making it suitable for various combat scenarios. 3. Warhead. The missile employs a tandem-shaped charge warhead capable of penetrating up to 1,100 mm of rolled homogeneous armor (RHA), including explosive reactive armor, making it effective against modern main battle tanks. 4. HE guidance system. It features advanced infrared homing and television imaging dual-mode seekers, allowing it to operate effectively in all weather conditions and during both day and night. 5. Launch capability. The missile can be launched from within buildings and bunkers thanks to its soft launch system, which enhances the survivability of the operators. Comparative analysis. The HJ-12 has often been compared to its Western counterparts, particularly the Javelin and Spike missile systems. Against the Javelin, the HJ-12 and Javelin share similar operational ranges and weights. However, the HJ-12 offers superior armor penetration capabilities, making it more effective against heavily armored targets. Against the Spike, while the Spike missile is lighter and offers an auxiliary communication channel for operator guidance, the HJ-12's fire-and-forget technology allows for greater operational flexibility on the battlefield. Both systems have their strengths, but the HJ-12's design reflects China's intent to match or exceed Western military technology in critical areas. Current status and global reach. As of 2023, the HJ-12 has been integrated into various military forces, including the PLA, and foreign buyers such as Algeria, Nigeria, and Indonesia. Its adoption by these countries highlights its appeal as a cost-effective solution for modern anti-tank warfare. Export opportunities. Norinco aims to expand its international market presence by promoting the HJ-12E variant. The missile's relatively high cost, estimated at around $18,000 per unit, could limit its appeal among some potential buyers, particularly in developing nations. However, its advanced capabilities position it as a desirable option for countries looking to enhance their anti-tank capabilities. Future prospects. The future of the HJ-12 system appears promising given its technological advancements and the growing demand for effective anti-tank solutions. Key considerations for its future include: 1. Technological enhancements. Continuous improvements in guidance systems, warhead designs, and operational capabilities could further enhance the HJ-12's competitiveness in both domestic and international markets. 2. Market competition. The global arms market is highly competitive, with established players continually innovating. Norinco will need to adapt to maintain its market share against other advanced systems. 3. Geopolitical factors. International relations and defense procurement policies will significantly influence the HJ-12 sales potential. Countries facing security threats may prioritize acquiring advanced missile systems like the HJ-12. 4. Integration with modern warfare. As warfare evolves with new technology, the HJ-12's compatibility with drones, artificial intelligence, and network-centric warfare concepts will play a crucial role in its future relevance. Conclusion. The HJ-12 anti-tank missile system marks a significant milestone in China's military capabilities, reflecting advancements in technology and design. Its successful integration into the PLA and burgeoning interest from international markets underscore its operational effectiveness. As military dynamics continue to evolve, the HJ-12's adaptability and technological enhancements will be vital for ensuring its relevance in the future of modern warfare. The HJ-12 anti-tank missile, also known as the Red Arrow 12, represents a significant advancement in China's military technology, particularly in the realm of portable anti-tank weaponry. Developed by the China North Industries Corporation Norinco, it is a third-generation man-portable fire-and-forget missile system that employs sophisticated targeting mechanisms, including infrared and television imaging guidance. This missile system first made its public appearance at the Eurosatory exhibition in 2014 and has since undergone several iterations, including an export variant, the HJ-12E. Counterintuitive information. 1. Underestimated export potential. While the HJ-12 has been positioned as a competitor to well-established Western systems like the American FGM-148 Javelin and the Israeli Spike, the narrative around its export potential is less optimistic. The missile's relatively high cost, around $18,000 per unit, could limit its appeal in international markets, especially among developing nations. This is counterintuitive given that military technology often sees high demand despite costs. However, the HJ-12's market entry has been cautious and selective, suggesting that cost-effectiveness is a key consideration for potential buyers. 2. Capabilities versus perception. The capabilities of the HJ-12, particularly its tandem warhead designed to penetrate up to 1,100 mm of armor, position it as a formidable weapon against modern tanks. However, the narrative often emphasizes its limitations in comparison to its competitors, particularly in terms of operational deployment and battlefield integration. The idea that a new weapon might not be immediately embraced by its own military, given the existing stockpile of older models like the HJ-73, highlights a counterintuitive aspect of military procurement. Newer technology does not always mean immediate replacement of older systems. 3. Performance claims versus real-world testing. The missile's design incorporates advanced features that allow it to engage targets effectively under various conditions, including night and adverse weather. Despite these claims, real-world testing data and combat exposure are limited, leading to skepticism about its operational effectiveness relative to established systems. This dichotomy between claimed capabilities and the lack of extensive battlefield validation raises questions about the reliability and actual performance of the HJ-12 in combat scenarios. 4. Comparison with older models. The emphasis on the HJ-12's advanced features and capabilities often overshadows the fact that its predecessor models such as the HJ-73 are still in service and potentially more familiar to operators. This situation creates a paradox where the introduction of a technologically superior system does not necessarily translate into immediate operational advantages, as troops may prefer to rely on older systems with which they are more accustomed. There is a potential for resistance to adopting new technologies that require additional training and adaptation. 5. Integration challenges. The integration of the HJ-12 into the People's Liberation Army (PLA) forces, particularly in specialized units like those operating in Tibet, presents logistical and operational challenges that are often overlooked. The assumption that new technology will seamlessly enhance military capabilities does not account for potential issues related to training, maintenance, and supply chain logistics, which can hinder effective deployment in certain theaters. 6. Misconception of market dominance. There is a prevalent assumption that China's advancements in military technology such as the HJ-12 will rapidly lead to dominance in the global arms market. However, geopolitical factors, international arms regulations, and competition from established defense manufacturers may limit China's ability to capitalize on its innovations. The idea that technological superiority will automatically translate to market success is counterintuitive in the complex and politically sensitive arena of international arms sales. 7. Public perception versus military reality. The public narrative surrounding the HJ-12 often portrays it as a revolutionary leap in anti-tank capabilities, primarily due to its fire-and-forget technology and high penetration capabilities. In contrast, military analysts emphasize the need for comprehensive strategies that integrate such technologies into broader operational frameworks, which may not align with the perception of the missile as a standalone solution to anti-tank warfare. This highlights a disconnect between popular military rhetoric and the nuanced realities of modern combat. 8. Diverse applications. While primarily designed for anti-tank purposes, the HJ-12's capacity to engage fortifications, bunkers, and other non-armored targets is often downplayed. This versatility suggests that the missile could play a broader role in modern warfare than simply being a tank killer, challenging the narrow focus on its anti-tank capabilities. The counterintuitive aspect lies in the potential for such weapons to be employed in diverse operational contexts, which may not be fully appreciated by military strategists and planners. In summary, the HJ-12 anti-tank missile embodies both technological advancements and complexities in military integration and market dynamics. The counterintuitive elements highlight the multifaceted nature of modern military developments, where perceptions, costs, and operational realities intertwine in unexpected ways. The HJ-12 Hongjian-12 anti-tank missile system is a significant development in China's military capabilities, representing a leap in technology in modern warfare strategy. While many reports highlight its basic specifications, operational capabilities, and comparative analysis with Western systems like the US FGM-148 Javelin and Israeli Spike missiles, there are several nuanced aspects of the HJ-12's development, deployment, and future potential that are often overlooked. 1. Technological innovation and development process. The development of the HJ-12 signifies a strategic pivot for China towards self-sufficiency in advanced military technologies. Although many sources mention its fire-and-forget capabilities and dual guidance system, infrared and television, the significance of these innovations lies in their implications for battlefield dynamics. The ability to engage targets without maintaining visual contact allows operators to reposition or take cover immediately after launch, thus enhancing survivability and operational flexibility. This feature is particularly crucial in modern warfare, where engagements can be fast-paced and lethal. The HJ-12's design, particularly its tandem-shaped charge warhead capable of penetrating 1,100 mm of armor, reflects an understanding of contemporary armored threats, especially those equipped with reactive armor. This capability positions the HJ-12 as a credible deterrent against modern main battle tanks, which is a critical factor for the People's Liberation Army (PLA) given the regional security dynamics in Asia. 2. Historical context and strategic significance. The HJ-12 was first displayed in 2014 at the Eurosatory Defense Exhibition, marking China's entry into the third generation of anti-tank guided missiles. However, the historical significance of this weapon goes beyond its technical specifications. It symbolizes China's growing confidence and capability in defense technology, particularly in the realm of portable weapon systems. The timing of the HJ-12's introduction is also relevant. It comes amid increasing tensions in the Asia-Pacific region and a renewed focus on rapid modernization of the PLA. The missile enables a more agile infantry force that can effectively counter armored threats without relying heavily on artillery or air support, thus contributing to a more versatile and self-sufficient military posture. 3. Potential for export and market positioning. While there is acknowledgement of the HJ-12's export variant HJ-12E, the implications of its export potential are often underappreciated. The successful sale of the HJ-12 to an undisclosed foreign country in 2020 is a noteworthy milestone, as it marks the first export of a third-generation anti-tank missile system developed by China. This achievement not only demonstrates the global competitiveness of Chinese military technology but also reflects a strategic approach to bolster the defense capabilities of allied nations, potentially enhancing China's geopolitical influence. However, challenges remain in the competitive landscape of global arms sales. The HJ-12's relatively high cost compared to similar Western systems could limit its appeal, particularly to developing nations. The strategic response to these competitive pressures will be crucial for Norinco, the manufacturer, as they seek to capture market share in an increasingly crowded field of advanced weaponry. 4. Operational integration and tactical applications. The integration of the HJ-12 into the PLA's operational framework is another critical aspect often glossed over in discussions about the missile's capabilities. Its deployment in Tibet signifies a tactical shift towards enhancing anti-tank capabilities in diverse terrains, including mountainous regions. The ability to launch the missile from within buildings or other covered positions is a tactical advantage that allows for greater flexibility and safety for soldiers in combat situations. Moreover, the emphasis on individual soldier capability through man-portability aligns with modern military doctrines that prioritize infantry effectiveness and mobility. This shift reflects a broader trend in military strategy that values decentralized command and agile responses to threats, making the HJ-12 not just a weapon but a tool of modern warfare that can reshape infantry tactics. 5. Future developments and strategic implications. Looking ahead, the future development of the HJ-12 and its successors will likely focus on enhancing its capabilities further, possibly through upgrades in guidance technology, warhead design, and integration with unmanned systems. The ongoing arms race in anti-tank missile capabilities, particularly in light of advancements in armored vehicle technology, necessitates continuous innovation. The strategic implications of the HJ-12 extend beyond its immediate military utility. It represents China's commitment to becoming a global military technology power. As the PLA continues to modernize and adapt to new threats, the HJ-12 will likely play a pivotal role in shaping how China engages in both regional and global military dynamics. Conclusion. The HJ-12 anti-tank missile system embodies a confluence of technological advancement, strategic military planning, and geopolitical maneuvering. While its specifications are impressive, the broader context of its development, operational integration, and potential for export reveals a narrative of China's aspirations in military modernization. As observers continue to analyze the HJ-12's impact, it is vital to consider these often overlooked dimensions, as they will shape not only the future of Chinese military capabilities but also the dynamics of regional and global security. 1. Evolution and historical significance of the HJ-12. The HJ-12 HJ-12, China's first third-generation portable anti-tank missile, represents a significant advancement in anti-tank capabilities for the Chinese military. Its introduction at the Eurosatory exhibition in 2014 marked a pivotal moment in China's defense technology development, showcasing the nation's growing capacity for high-tech military equipment. The missile's design emphasizes the fire and forget principle, allowing operators to engage targets without needing to maintain a lock after launch. This capability is crucial for enhancing the survivability of soldiers on the battlefield, as they can immediately seek cover after firing. The missile's evolution from its introduction to its current operational status within the People's Liberation Army (PLA) illustrates China's commitment to modernizing its military forces. By 2021, the HJ-12 was officially integrated into the PLA, enhancing its infantry's anti-tank capabilities, particularly during exercises in challenging environments like Tibet. The historical context of the HJ-12 reflects a broader trend of advancing military technology in response to evolving threats and the need for increased operational effectiveness. 2. Technical characteristics and comparative analysis. The HJ-12 is characterized by its lightweight design, 22 kilograms, and effective range of 4 kilometers during the day, with a slightly reduced range at night. The missile features a tandem-shaped charge warhead capable of penetrating up to 1,100 millimeters of homogeneous steel armor, making it effective against modern main battle tanks equipped with reactive armor. Its guidance system incorporates both infrared homing and television imaging, allowing for enhanced target acquisition and engagement capabilities in various environmental conditions. In comparative analyses, the HJ-12 has been frequently juxtaposed with Western counterparts such as the American FGM-148 Javelin and the Israeli Spike missiles. The HJ-12's performance metrics, including its penetration capabilities and operational flexibility, position it as a competitive alternative in the global anti-tank missile market. Notably, it boasts superior armor penetration compared to the Javelin. Although the Javelin's auxiliary communication capabilities offer certain tactical advantages in some scenarios, this comparative framework highlights the HJ-12's strategic importance not only as a domestic military asset but also as a player in the international arms market. 3. Strategic implications and future prospects. The incorporation of the HJ-12 into the PLA's arsenal has significant strategic implications for China's military capabilities. The missile enhances the ground force's ability to counter armored threats, particularly in scenarios involving urban warfare or mountainous terrains where mobility and concealment are paramount. The fire and forget capability allows for rapid engagement and re-engagement of targets, aligning with modern warfare's emphasis on speed and precision. Looking to the future, Norinco's focus on expanding the HJ-12's international market presence is essential for sustaining its production and development. Despite its advanced features, the missile's relatively high cost may limit its appeal to potential buyers, particularly in developing nations that require affordable yet effective anti-tank solutions. Nevertheless, strategic partnerships and export agreements, as seen with the HJ-12E variant, could bolster China's position in the global arms market, especially as countries seek to modernize their military capabilities in response to evolving threats. 4. Challenges and market competition. Despite the HJ-12's advanced capabilities, it faces significant challenges in the competitive landscape of anti-tank missiles. The global arms market is increasingly crowded, with established players like the United States and Israel continuing to innovate and enhance their offerings. As noted, the HJ-12's higher cost may deter potential buyers, particularly when competitors offer similar or superior capabilities at a lower price point. Additionally, the evolving nature of warfare, including the integration of unmanned systems and advanced electronic warfare techniques, necessitates continuous innovation in missile technology. The HJ-12 will need to adapt to these changing dynamics to maintain its relevance in future conflicts. Moreover, geopolitical factors, including arms export regulations and international relations, will play a crucial role in determining the HJ-12's market success. As countries navigate complex security environments, their choices in military procurement will reflect broader strategic considerations potentially impacting the HJ-12's uptake in various regions. Conclusion: the HJ-12 anti-tank missile exemplifies China's advances in military technology, showcasing its commitment to developing modern and effective defense systems. With its historical significance, competitive specifications, strategic implications, and market challenges, the HJ-12 is poised to play a critical role in both domestic military operations and the international arms market. Its future will depend on Norinco's ability to navigate competitive pressures and the evolving landscape of modern warfare. 1. The FGM-148 Javelin, United States. Developed by Raytheon and Lockheed Martin, the FGM-148 Javelin is a man-portable fire-and-forget anti-tank missile system that was first introduced in the late 1990s. It uses an infrared homing guidance system and is designed to destroy armored vehicles both from the front and the top, where armor is typically weaker. The Javelin has been extensively used in various conflicts, including the Iraq and Afghanistan wars, showcasing its effectiveness against modern armored threats. Its design and operational capabilities have made it one of the most recognized and respected anti-tank missile systems in the world. 2. The Spike missile, Israel. Developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. The Spike is a family of anti-tank guided missiles that includes versions for man-portable vehicle-mounted and helicopter launch applications. The Spike missile system employs advanced technologies such as electro-optical guidance and can operate in fire-and-forget mode. It has been utilized by numerous militaries worldwide and has seen combat in various conflicts. The Spike series includes multiple variants with different ranges and payloads, making it a versatile choice for modern anti-tank warfare. 3. The Milan missile, France/Germany. The Milan is a wire-guided anti-tank missile developed by the French company Matra and the German company Daimler-Benz Aerospace in the 1970s. It was one of the first portable anti-tank guided missiles and has undergone several upgrades over the years, including the introduction of a laser-guided version. The Milan system has been widely exported and used in various military conflicts, proving its effectiveness against armored vehicles. Although it predates the modern fire-and-forget systems, its extensive use and continued relevance highlight its significant role in anti-tank warfare. Future outlook for China's HJ-12 anti-tank missile. The HJ-12 Red Arrow 12 anti-tank missile system, developed by China's Norinco, represents a significant advancement in portable anti-tank weaponry. As we analyze its historical context, present capabilities, and future prospects, several key predictions emerge regarding the trajectory of the HJ-12 and its role in modern warfare. 1. Increased global presence. Given the successful introduction of the HJ-12 into the People's Liberation Army (PLA) and its first export to an undisclosed country, it is anticipated that Norinco will aggressively pursue international markets. The missile's competitive pricing, coupled with its advanced features such as its fire-and-forget capability and high penetration power, positions it well against established products like the U.S. Javelin and Israeli Spike systems. Prediction: by 2025, the HJ-12 is likely to see increased adoption among developing nations seeking modern anti-tank capabilities, bolstered by Norinco's strategic marketing and partnerships. 2. Technological advancements. The HJ-12 is a third-generation missile system, but military technology evolves rapidly. To maintain competitiveness, Norinco is expected to invest in further enhancements to the HJ-12's guidance system's warhead effectiveness and operational versatility. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and improved sensor capabilities may be integrated into future variants, enhancing target acquisition and engagement efficiency. Prediction: by 2030, we may witness an upgraded version of the HJ-12, potentially known as HJ-12A or similar, featuring enhanced AI-driven targeting capabilities and improved range and penetration. 3. Shift in military doctrine. As the HJ-12 becomes more widely distributed, It will influence the military doctrines of user nations. The ability to effectively engage armored vehicles and fortifications with lightweight portable systems will lead to changes in ground warfare strategies emphasizing mobility and rapid response over traditional heavy armor formations. Prediction: by the end of this decade we can expect military forces employing the HJ-12 to adopt more asymmetrical warfare tactics focusing on mobile infantry units equipped with advanced anti-tank systems rather than relying solely on conventional armored divisions. 4. Competition and countermeasures. As the HJ-12 gains traction, rival nations will likely develop countermeasures to mitigate its effectiveness. This could involve advancements in electronic warfare, enhanced armor technologies, and new tactics to counter top-attack missile capabilities. The ongoing arms race in anti-tank technology will drive innovation on both sides. Prediction: by 2028. We may see the emergence of next-generation armored vehicles equipped with active protection systems specifically designed to defeat threats from missiles like the HJ-12, reshaping the landscape of anti-tank warfare. 5. Integration with modern warfare systems. Future conflicts are expected to feature integrated systems where anti-tank missiles like the HJ-12 work in conjunction with drone technology, artillery, and other advanced weapons systems. The ability to coordinate strikes using real-time battlefield data will enhance the effectiveness of the HJ-12 in combat scenarios. Prediction: by 2035 the HJ-12 may be integrated into a broader network-centric warfare framework, allowing for cooperative engagements with drones and other automated systems, significantly improving its effectiveness on the battlefield. 6. Increased domestic demand. As tensions rise in various regions, particularly in the Asia-Pacific area, there will be a growing demand for effective anti-tank solutions within the PLA. The HJ-12's successful induction into the PLA will likely prompt further orders to bolster the infantry's anti-armor capabilities. Prediction: by 2026 we could see a significant increase in domestic production rates of the HJ-12 to meet the demands of the PLA and other branches of the military. Conclusion: the HJ-12 anti-tank missile system stands at a pivotal juncture in its development. With its advanced capabilities and competitive pricing, it is poised to carve out a substantial presence in both domestic and international markets. The future will see ongoing enhancements in technology, shifts in military strategy, and an evolving landscape of competition and countermeasures. As global military dynamics continue to shift, the HJ-12 will play a crucial role in shaping the future of anti-tank warfare.